Today I'm going to teach you one tip that will save you a load of time adding tags to your Instagram posts.
Damn, I hate to go psycho. Lil' mama bad like Michael. Can't really trust nobody with all this jewelry on you. My roof look like a...
Hey guys, my name's Nick and welcome back to another tutorial video. Now, if you're trying to grow an Instagram page, then using hashtags on your post are about a must. It's one of the only ways you can get your posts discovered on Instagram without paying currency or spamming people's comments to get them to follow you. Some people use a few hashtags, some people use the entire limit of hashtags. I'm not going to get into the ethics of that. I personally have about a mid-ground. I did use like 30 tags at a time at once and it just got a bit spammy, but it did help me grow. So more tags, more growth, but more tags, more spam. It looks. A lot of people have fixed tags that are used for every post. And first of all, adding them in manually is really time consuming and terrible and boring. So what most people do, they'll have their tags written down in notes if they have an iPhone or whatever notes is on an Android. I haven't used an Android in a while. And they'll copy and paste them into Instagram. But what if I told you there is an even quicker way of doing it? Now, I discovered this by accident. I'm not sure if any other people use it, but it was just something that popped into my head. What text replacement is you can set abbreviations for things. So say if you wanted to say on my way, but you didn't want to type out on my way, then you could just have OMW, and then when you type that in, your phone will automatically change it to on my way. Now, we can use this for our benefit. What I do when adding tags for the page I work with called Be The New Vision is I have the shortcut new tags, and it changes it when I type in new tags without a space. It will change it to all my hashtags. So literally all I need to do when I want to enter my hashtags is I type in new tags and then it'll pop up. If you have different kinds of hashtags for different kind of posts, you can set that up as well. So you can say set up different keywords for different types of tags. This literally just speeds up the time. All you have to do is type in the tag and it'll just pop right into the comment you're leaving or your description of your post. And yeah, it's just a little hack I came across which I wanted to share with you guys. So if you liked the video, please leave a like down below. If you know any other cool little Instagram hacks, then leave them down in the comments below. I'd really appreciate it if you checked out my new edit, which is kind of talking about what's coming next for me, and I put a lot of effort into it and it looks really cool. There'll be a card on the screen and it will be in the end screen in a few seconds. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button and turn notifications on so you don't miss anything. My goal at the moment is to hit 1,000 subscribers and it would be really awesome if you'd help me with that. I'm currently gaining about 11 to 12 subscribers a week, which is awesome. I've never been at that kind of like growth level. So yeah, thank you. My name's Nick and I'll see you guys in the next video.